and see your redemption is near at hand. Your ways, O Lord, make known to me. Teach me your paths. Guide me in your truth and teach me. For you are God, my Savior. Lift up your heads and see your redemption is near at hand. Good and upright is the Lord, thus He shows sinners the way. He guides the humble to justice. He teaches the humble His way. Lift up your heads and see your redemption is near at hand. All the paths of the Lord are kindness and constancy toward those who keep His covenant and His decrees. The friendship of the Lord is with those who fear Him, and His covenant for their